Hi everyone, this is Rosa Kelly. I am here today with a brand new design tin package from JS Hobbies and Crafts. So let's take a look. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, it is officially Christmas here on the YouTube crafty world, and I'm super excited about the collection that I'm about to show you. So this is a design team package from JS Hobbies and Crafts. You will have the link to the store and all the supplies that you'll see listed on the description box below. So let me start by showing you the name of the collection that we are going to be working with. As you know, I'm going to be making a tutorial and I already have so many ideas. Christmas is my favorite time of the year, especially for crafting. And so yeah, I'm super excited. So this is the Let It Snow collection by Carta. I will open this up in a minute, but first let me show you all the other extra goodies to complement the collection as well. So first, look at these flowers. And these are this beautiful blue color, very soft, that goes with the paper. Look at all these different tones of blues, so pretty, and it's got the snow here, so these flowers definitely complement that. So this is the H050 and the H069. So let me open them up so you can see them without the glare from the back. Looks so pretty, they're so cute. They have this little white little buttons, I think, I don't know what to call that, from the flower, that they look almost like little candy cane, little candy in here. So cute. And then there is the paper roses. So I think this is all a bundle that come together. And this is the other one, the 058. Oh my gosh, I think this one's so pretty. Look at these flowers, they're so delicate. These are like a really soft blue, like a very soft light blue, and then you have this one is here, different tones of blue. Love how pretty. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Okay, so then I am also going to be using some magnets. These are the large magnets, which are awesome for your closures and large layouts. I know they also have the smaller ones that come in very handy as well. I'm going to be using some score tape. As you know, I always use the 3/8 of an inch, especially when we score at 1/2 inch to make all those you know, like flaps throughout the pages. This is the size that you want. I'm super excited to be working with some glossy accents. I think these are going to be amazing, especially for these snow gloves here, so we can make them really glossy and really fun. So I have so many ideas. Okay, so let me walk you through these little ephemeras. Super excited that I got actually both of them. So this one is the die cut cardstock pieces. So there's two, and the other one is the frames and tags. Okay, so this is the first one, the ephemera. It's got all these different elements. These are awesome to make cards as well, but I think I'm going to concentrate on mini album, and then I'll use all the leftovers to make some cards. Look how cute is this little guy. And then you get, oh my goodness, so many pieces. Even if you want to do like a December daily type of album, you can definitely use some of these. Baby, it's cold outside. Look how cute. And then these larger ones. All you need is cocoa and a pair of warm socks. Oh, that is so true for Christmas. And then let me show you quickly the frames and tags, which is this one. Oh my goodness, I love this cocoa, and it says welcome winter. Looks so cute, so many pieces, warm hearts, and it says winter memories, hot chocolate. Look at all these banners, walking in a winter wonderland, snow. I love the rustic feel of the collection as well, with the wood grain backgrounds. It says winter hot chocolate, snowflakes, snow flurries, happiness, snow angels. So cute. Winter, and oh my goodness, so many different pieces. Love this one, cold hands, warm heart. So this is the frames and tags. I'm just gonna put it here on the side. So now let me show you the chipboard stickers, and these are awesome. I love how thick they are, and you can use this for many elements. And so there's two different ones on the set. So one is the phrases and one is the accents. So there you go, that's how that looks like. I love this. snowman. Oh, and then I also have in here the holly leaves. These are so cute. Oh, perfect. And this will complement the flowers really good. This one is the H005. Again, I will link it all below. And then before I show you the collection, I'm just gonna quickly show you the chipboard pieces. I get a lot of questions on where I get my chipboard. So JS Hobbies and Crafts, you will find everything that you need to make your album from start to finish. So it's like a one-stop store for all you need. And then here is the AC cardstock. This is a new brand that we are using, and I used it for my last album as well, and I really like the quality of the cardstock, and the color is perfect for the collection. Okay, so now I am going to be working with two as always, but I think this one, it comes with quite a lot of pieces. So if you want to start with one, you can probably do so, and then just complement with some color cardstock, but I always like to play with two. So here we go. Oh, I love it. And Carta has a really good quality paper as well. So this is just the cover. And oh, look how cute. See, I love this cardstock. It has some, the texture of it is really nice. So you get here the 4x3 cards, and these are excellent to create kind of like statement pieces for each one of the pages. So I love that. Let it snow. Here's a little snowman again, and on the back you have these patterns. So if you want to use you don't want to use the small pieces, you can definitely use that. Look at the mittens. Oh, and I love the blues. I love that the blues are like all over the place. It's kind of like the main piece of the collection, so I love this. Next one is the wood grain with the snowflakes. How cute is that page? I love it. And more of the different tones of blue. Over here it says baby it's cold outside. The hot cocoa, I love that. That's my favorite. And then the snow globe with the snowman inside. Oh, the collection is so pretty, and more different tones of blues. And oh, this one's so pretty. Love the trees, and some more blue on the back. And then here we have the pine cones. I love how rustic it is. And here's some brown, different color snowflakes, again with the blues, the browns, and the red. Love the collection. And over here we have some different images. I don't know if we can see on the video, but there's a little fox, what do you call this, like a rhino, and the polar bear. So cute. And these are your 4x6s. Hello winter, one winter wishes. Oh, the back's so cute. And then we have like the reverse design with the dark background and the wood grain color snowflakes. So cute. Love it. And then look at this one. Look, I love the rustic designs, and some more snowflakes with that color combination. That's actually a really good color combination for Christmas. I don't think I've seen that before, like with blues and reds and browns. So I think I love it. It's really cute. And then here's a darker green, and then you get a sticker sheet as well with the collection. And love this one that says winter, so this will probably be on my cover. And then I have two to work with. So this is what we're gonna be making next. I'm super excited about Christmas, as you know, my favorite holiday. I think Christmas and Halloween are my favorites to design for, but just Christmas is a lot more meaningful than Halloween. And you know, you definitely have to make a lot more because you do for gifts and things like that. So I'm super excited to start a new project for you guys. Don't forget to visit the store. All the links will be down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.